Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4, back here again. What do we got? We've got a brand new BT-50 straight from the lot to us. And what we're gonna do to it today is going to get a fiberglass canopy fitted. We're gonna go through, there's really no assembly. We're gonna go through the fitting of it, clamping down all the seals, all the silicone, all the electrics, and we're gonna get right into it. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed the fitment process of this canopy fiberglass on this BT-50. So very, very straightforward. This one, it was in our standard gel coat white. That's how we can get the price as low as we can with a slight color variation, but you're looking at $3,000 supplied for a brand new fiberglass canopy with the interior vinyl, front sliding window, interior light. This one typically has lift up windows as standard. In this particular case, we've gone ahead and swapped out the windows to sliders. You can see the sliders can be open from both sides as well. Spoiler with brake light on the back. Of course, we've got the central locking on the rear door. The guys are just putting the finishing touches on it. Now, if you want to grab a fiberglass canopy or any kind of canopy or any kind of accessory for your ute, go to ozcanopies.com.au to have a look at what we have available for your ute. Other than that, give us a call, 0296278666, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.